If you have been wondering how can you send photos as documents in WhatsApp on your Android device, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, sending photos as documents on WhatsApp preserves their quality, so all you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and learn exactly how can you do that. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to open your Play Store, go to WhatsApp, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Now, once you update your app, you can finally quit the store and go ahead and open your WhatsApp app. Now, pick the conversation that you want to send those photos in. Once you open the conversation, tap on this attachment icon at the bottom right next to the camera icon right here. Now, instead of photos or camera or gallery, tap on documents. Here you will find all types of documents. To filter out the images or the videos or both, tap right here in the top left. It will take you to this window, and from here find all recent images. So if you want to only filter images out or videos, just tap on images or videos at the top right there and you'll be filtering everything out successfully. You can even sort them out, but if you want to find them in a more organized place, tap right here in the top left corner. You'll get this menu from the left side of the screen. Tap on images right under recent. And here you can find every folder that you have pictures or videos in on your Android device. You can even tap on your model right here and go to any folder you want. I'm going to pick the download folder. So I'm going to open it. And once I find the pictures that I want to send, all I need to do is to tap on them, to select them, and then tap on select in the top right corner. This will take me directly to the WhatsApp app. And then from here, as you can see here, I am sending pictures as documents on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave what you think about it in the comments. I'll try to reply to every question. And of course, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.